In this video, I'll guide you through how to use Ionos hosting so you can feel confident navigating your account and managing the basics of your website. Whether you're just getting started or you've logged in a few times and felt a bit lost, we'll walk through what you see on the dashboard and what each key area is actually for. Once you've logged in to your Ionos account, you'll land on a main dashboard that's laid out as a grid of tiles. Think of each tile as a doorway into a specific section of your hosting account. Instead of digging through long menus, Ionos groups things into these big, clearly labeled panels so you can jump straight to what you need. One of the most important tiles you'll see is called Websites and Stores. This is your primary hub for everything that faces your visitors. When you click into Websites and Stores, you'll see all of your active web projects in one place. That might include WordPress sites, projects built with the Ionos AI website builder, or custom sites you've created with your own HTML. If you're wondering where to edit or manage a specific site, this is usually where you'll start. For example, if you have a WordPress site, you can enter its management area from here, and from there, you'll typically find shortcuts to open the WordPress dashboard itself. If you've used the AI builder, you'll be able to open the site editor to change text, images, layout, and other content. It's helpful to think of this Websites and Stores section as the front of house for your online presence. This is where you work on what your visitors actually see. Now, separate from that, you'll also notice a tile labeled Hosting. I'll show you the easiest way to think about this area. It's the technical back end of your account. While Websites and Stores is focused on the visible part of your site, the hosting tile is where you manage the underlying tools and resources that keep everything running. When you click on hosting, you'll find options related to things like FTP access, databases, and PHP settings. FTP, or File Transfer Protocol, is what you use if you need to upload or download files directly to your web space. This is especially useful for advanced changes like manually uploading themes, plugins, or custom code, or backing up files to your computer. You'll also see access to your databases, usually MySQL databases. These store dynamic content for many types of sites, especially WordPress. From here, you can view your databases, create new ones if your plan allows it, and access tools like PubMyAdmin for more advanced database management. This is an area to handle with care, but it's essential for troubleshooting or working with developers. Finally, inside the hosting area, you can adjust PHP settings. PHP is the scripting language that powers many websites and content management systems. In this section, you might change the PHP version your site uses or tweak certain limits and options if a plugin or application requires it. To sum up, once you log in and see the tile grid, remember this simple split: use Websites and Stores to manage your actual sites and storefronts, and use the hosting tile to control the behind-the-scenes tools like FTP, databases, and PHP. As you get more comfortable, you'll move between these two areas naturally, using one to shape the visitor experience and the other to support everything under the hood.